Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you are feeling amazing, and as always, it's so wonderful to have you here. I was organizing my decks again and again, yes, and I came across to my three storytelling style decks, and I love them. And I decided to put three of them in one video. We have Under the Oak Tarot, it's mass market one. Unicorn's Journey is indie, and also Forest Spirit Imprint is also an indie deck. Three of them are wonderful, crazy artworks, beautiful, vibrant colors. So, most probably you know them, but let's just look at them together again and enjoy them once more. Under the Oak Tarot, beautiful deck by Los Grabo, and the artist is Ofrida. She has an Instagram account. Please check her artwork, they are so beautiful. This is the guidebook, multi-language, English, Italiano, Spanish, and Portuguese. So, let me see. Okay, here. Under the Oak Tarot is a truly unique deck that delves into the realm of dreams and the art of turning them into reality. As we embark on this journey, the current accompanies Anima, a visually impaired child. Basically, there she is. And through a magical fairy tale island blooming with rich, green, flourishing vegetation. This mystical landscape is dominated by a majestic oak tree and inhabited by mythical and mysterious creatures and gods. Much like Anima, we are presented with the opportunity to develop a second sight along our own path, gaining deeper insights into ourselves and unlocking our untapped potential. And so beautiful. We have some spreads and the meanings start, and we have the card name and then explanation and Anima's message. Basically, we'll okay, stay in the languages. Okay, let me show you. I'm so excited, I cannot talk. Okay, I can do it. This is a beautiful bag and lovely edge in silver. So I really want to show you at least the cards in a quick walkthrough, so you can put it on the fast speed for the walkthrough, and don't forget to put me back in the normal speed. Okay, there she is, Anima. Such a beautiful artwork. What do you think? I hope you liked and enjoyed the journey of Anima. This deck is so beautiful. Before going to the next deck, for a mass market deck, I have to say it's a very high quality deck. Honestly, I can't believe that's even mass market deck. So it's just lovely. I highly recommend this deck. I bought it from Amazon Germany, so you most probably will find it in your Amazon or local shops or any other websites. And yeah, for now, bye bye, Anima. Unicorn Journey Tarot by Lisa Papez, illustrated by Francesca Paucci. And here is the Discover the Magic Within. I'm sure you cannot read it because it's the pink text and a pink background, but I will read for you. The Unicorn's Journey Tarot is a deck that tells a story about a little unicorn named Mystic who goes on a journey to discover who they are and what they are capable of. The storytelling in this deck will help beginners to understand the meaning of each card, while it will invite seasoned tarot readers to explore fresh perspectives and possibilities for interpretation. Okay, let's go to the guidebook. The guidebook cover has even this um, soft touch, velvety touch feeling. Okay, let me see if we have something more. Okay, here. Mystic Story is one of self discovery, self belief, and self love. It's about trying to fit in and then realizing you don't have to, and about learning what makes you happy and pursuing it with wild abandon. It's about personal fulfillment and the incredible power of found family. Most of all, it's about carving out a path in life that is uniquely yours and learning to cherish every step along the way. I hope that Mystic's story will bring tarot to life for you, introduce or reawaken you to the magic of unicorns, and maybe, just maybe, show you that you are powerful and worthy exactly as you are. So, it's such a beautiful deck. Quickly to show you, it has here major arcana, and we have a different colors as you see. For majors and minors, we have upright and reverse meaning, and this guidebook is very well written. I love that on the top we have the story of the mystic, and then below we have the related RWS version and upright and reverse and self-worth message. Very beautifully done. And of course it goes towards end for minors, and we have some spreads at the end. So this is the beautiful bag. We have some touch of holographic star and beautiful pink color bag. Again, let's start a quick walkthrough because I really want you enjoy the mystic journey. Let's go. Lovely. Mystic. I highly recommend this deck too. Beautiful color, beautiful storyline, and sweet unicorn. What else you want, And vibrant colors. Perfect deck that now we are going to hopefully warm summer days. Tarot Spirit Imprint. Let's take a moment and look at this box and admire it. Can you see this 3D design? This is the next level. I never, I don't even have a deck that has this kind of box with that detail. I'm not sure. Do you have any tarot boxes like this? Let me know because they are beautiful. Okay, this is the guidebook, and let's see. The creator saying and the story. So here is our main character with the little birdie accompanying her. Such a sweet bird. Okay, here it says, from the very beginning of the creation process, I envisioned using a pure fairy tale story to interpret this world. Tarot cards not only reveal the dark side of human nature, but also highlight the pursuit of positivity, love, and personal beliefs. I have taken the perspective of the little girl, allowing her to accidentally open a door to a parallel space and venture into this fantastical fairy tale world. Each card represents the imprints she has left on her journey of seeking life's meaning. So, we don't have a name for this girl, but yeah, you can put any name you like on her. And of course, we have the cards meanings, and I like this deck, this guidebook, because it gives, like here, for example, you see stays image. It gives you some explanation about the artwork, which is helpful because when the artwork is a bit crowded or overwhelming, it's so difficult to see the details. So I like that the creator kind of explains to us what we are seeing in the card. So yeah, beautiful, and so on. We have the second language at the back. This is the beautiful bag. Okay, look at it. Isn't it beautiful? This deck is already in my future top 10 tarot decks video. Okay, let's look at our girl's journey. So there she is, and the little bird companion, as you see. Let's see what she's doing. So let me know, what do you think about each of these decks? Do you have them or not? Although in the beginning you have to read a lot about the characters and also the guidebook. So it's not a kind of they are not kind of a quick decks to just grab and read with them. Of course, you can do just by ignoring the story behind them. And But I love to spend time and get to know the character, get to know the journey, the story behind each card, so then I will feel more confident when I'm using this kind of storytelling decks. But yeah, three of them are beautiful. I highly recommend. If you don't have any of them, they are high quality, beautiful artwork, and amazing and fun to read with them. So that was it. I just wanted to show you these three decks together. I hope you enjoyed them, and let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite. Until next time, bye bye.